Hi, Carl here from the vlog. This is, we're here in the Czech Republic. This is my mate's van. He's come down to see me. And I just want to show you something. At the side of his van here, he's got this huge awning up there. Now, everybody knows that these things are really expensive. Even for vans like mine, the VW T4, you're talking minimum about €3,000. So I want to show you what I actually did. This is a bit of a hack. Mine cost me about, maximum I think was about €20 when I've got all the parts together. Yeah, so a massive difference from that one up there, this one, and mine. And this is mine. Here it is. Mine's out at the minute. Okay, so what I did was I got some sucker pads, the mega 12 kilo suction pads, and I got two of them. There's one. Okay, and obviously I've got one at the other side as well. Okay, and then I got a, well, it's not a 3x3 tarp, it's a 3x, it's 290 or 280 or something, the tarp itself. And on the suction cups, I've got the little hooks there, and you hook them through the eyes of the tarp. Okay, and then put them in. And then what I did was I got these poles. Now these are extendable poles. Okay, that I got on Amazon. And the good thing about this pole is, if I can just grab Norm a minute, can you just hold the camera, mate, please? So the good thing about these poles is, if it's really windy or it's raining, don't have your tarp flat like that. So what you can do is, at night, is literally drop one end down. Whoop, not like that. Put it through the hole, there we go. Stick the string on there. So, drop it down like this. So when it rains, all the rain trickles off one side. Yeah? So there you go. From a, I don't know how much an awning on one of them vans costs. How much would one of them be?
A few grand.
Thousands.
A few grand.
Yeah. So I mean, like I said, I mean, even for one of your cheapest ones, you're talking £3 easy. Yeah. But for this, I've got my little. There we go. Just lift that up a little bit more. Tighten it up. Screw it up, and there we have it. My awning. How cool is that? So, don't buy a 3,000 one. Get on Amazon, think about it, and get something like this. Thanks, guys.